Most people believe that if they just start investing, time will do the rest. That compounding will magically turn small money into something big. But what if I told you, for most people, compounding never really kicks in? Not because they're lazy, not because they're doing something wrong, but because they never reach the point where compounding actually starts working. Let's say you invest $5,000 every month. You're consistent, you're patient. After 1 year, you check your returns, and it's underwhelming. After 2 years, still not impressive. And that's where doubt starts creeping in. Is this even worth it? Should I just spend this money instead? Because the truth is, in the beginning, compounding feels slow, almost useless. And most people quit right here. Here's what no one tells you. Compounding has a threshold, a point below which your money grows mostly because of your effort, not because of compounding. In the early stage, Palace Fur, your contributions matter more than your returns. Growth feels linear. Not exponential progress feels invisible. That's why it feels like nothing is happening. Because technically, nothing significant is happening yet. Real compounding only starts when your invested amount becomes large enough. Your returns start generating meaningful returns. Time starts multiplying instead of just adding. Until then, you're just building the base. And that phase, it's the hardest part. It's the hardest part. This is where most people fail. Not because they don't understand compounding. No, because they expect it to work too early. They see no big results, so they stop. They break consistency. They restart again later. And every time they restart, they go back to zero, which means they never cross that threshold. So what's the solution? It's simple, but not easy. DAS, focus on reaching the threshold, not the returns. In the beginning, don't obsess over profits. Obsess over consistency. Increase your income if you can. Increase your investments gradually, because early on, your effort matters more than compounding. And once you cross that invisible line, everything changes. Now your money starts working harder than you. Now growth feels faster. Now compounding finally shows up. Most people quit before compounding starts. If you don't, you automatically move ahead of 90% of people.